Hello everyone, welcome to Life Habitude. Today, we're diving deep into the topic of happiness and exploring practical strategies to make ourselves happier. In this video, we'll discuss key principles and actionable steps that can help you lead a more fulfilling life. So, let's get started. Before we get started, we would greatly appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Your support lets us know that we're creating content that resonates with you. 1. Cultivate a positive mindset. Practice gratitude. Start each day by acknowledging the things you're grateful for. This simple act can shift your focus towards the positive aspects of your life. Challenge negative thoughts. Identify negative self-talk and replace it with positive affirmations. Remember, your thoughts shape your reality. 2. Prioritize self-care. Take care of your physical health. Engage in regular exercise, eat a balanced diet, and get enough sleep. Physical well-being is closely linked to mental and emotional well-being. Engage in activities you enjoy. Make time for hobbies, interests, and passions. Doing things you love can boost your mood and provide a sense of fulfillment. 3. Foster meaningful relationships. Surround yourself with positive people. Build a support network of friends and family who uplift and inspire you. Practice active listening. Show genuine interest in others and be present in conversations. Meaningful connections can enhance your overall happiness. 4. Set meaningful goals. Identify your passions and values. Reflect on what truly matters to you and set goals aligned with your core values. Break goals into smaller, achievable steps. This approach helps you stay motivated and provides a sense of progress. 5. Practice mindfulness and gratitude. Be present in the moment. Engage fully in your daily activities and savor the small joys of life. Keep a gratitude journal. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. This practice can increase your overall happiness and appreciation for life. 6. Give back to others. Engage in acts of kindness. Help others in need, volunteer, or donate to causes you care about. Giving back not only benefits others but also brings a sense of fulfillment and purpose to your own life. 7. Embrace failure and learn from it. Understand that failure is a natural part of life and an opportunity for growth. Instead of dwelling on mistakes, view them as valuable lessons that can lead to personal development and resilience. 8. Practice self-compassion. Be kind and forgiving towards yourself. Treat yourself with the same compassion and understanding you would offer to a friend facing a difficult situation. 9. Engage in mindful activities. Incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine through activities such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga. These practices can help reduce stress, increase self-awareness, and promote a sense of calm and contentment. 10. Disconnect from technology. Take regular breaks from screens and social media. Engage in activities that allow you to disconnect and be fully present in the real world, such as spending time in nature, reading a book, or engaging in face-to-face conversations. 11. Practice gratitude in relationships. Express appreciation and gratitude towards your loved ones. Regularly communicate your love and gratitude to strengthen your relationships and create a positive and supportive environment. 12. Find meaning and purpose. Reflect on your values and what gives your life meaning. Engage in activities that align with your purpose, whether it's pursuing a career that makes a difference or engaging in hobbies that bring you joy and fulfillment. 13. Embrace a growth mindset. Believe in your ability to learn and grow. Embrace challenges as opportunities for personal development and view setbacks as temporary obstacles that can be overcome with effort and perseverance. Remember, happiness is a journey, and it's different for everyone. By incorporating these practical strategies into your life, you can take meaningful steps towards making yourself happier. Embrace the power of positivity, prioritize self-care, foster meaningful relationships, set meaningful goals, practice mindfulness and gratitude, give back to others, embrace failure and learn from it, practice self-compassion, engage in mindful activities, disconnect from technology, practice gratitude in relationships, find meaning and purpose, embrace a growth mindset. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on personal growth and happiness. Until next time, stay happy and keep spreading positivity.